In today's video, I'm showing you how to take screenshots on Windows 10 using simple keyboard shortcuts. This is perfect if you want to quickly capture your screen without installing any extra software. Let's start with the most basic shortcut. If you press the Print Screen key on your keyboard, Windows will copy the entire screen. Nothing will pop up, but the screenshot is saved to your clipboard. You can paste it into apps like Paint, Word, or even an email by pressing Ctrl-V. Now, if you want Windows to automatically save the screenshot as an image, use Windows key plus Print Screen. Press both keys at the same time. Your screen will briefly dim, which means the screenshot has been taken. You can find the image by going to Pictures, then opening the Screenshots folder. If you only want to capture the active window, this shortcut is very useful. Click on the window you want to capture, then press Alt plus Print Screen. This will copy only that window to the clipboard, not the entire screen. Again, you can paste it anywhere using Ctrl-V. Next is one of the most popular shortcuts. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Your screen will darken and a small menu will appear at the top. You can select a rectangular area, capture a specific window, or grab the full screen. Once you take the screenshot, it's copied to the clipboard and you'll see a small notification where you can edit it or save it. If you're using a laptop, you may need to press the FN key along with Print Screen. For example, FN plus Print Screen or FN plus Windows plus Print Screen, depending on your keyboard. These shortcuts make taking screenshots fast and easy, whether you need the full screen or just one part of it. And that's how you take screenshots on Windows 10 using keyboard shortcuts. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.